Hi, I'm Jeri and this is Howard with the Arizona Geological Survey. Today we're finalizing our weeks-long move of a station near Hart Prairie, north of Flagstaff, Arizona. This is the Trillium pulse hole sensor that we're about to put in the sensor pipe that goes down 6 feet and will be covered with sand and then covered with other waterproof apparatus. So that's it. Go ahead, lower on in. So again, the sensor will be in 6 feet deep. It's oriented to north, and we'll be sending live data to our earthworm server and to IRIS Data Management Center. Thank you.